Hello, hello, hello. This is Michael Wilson. I'm the facilitator for this community, Entrepreneur Power Network. The key element of this community is that I'm actually the author of Network Like a Millionaire, and I have a goal with this community to bring like-minded people together to build their network and when you build your network, and what I call network in my book is social capital. The more social capital, even if you're business or you're employed with another employer, entrepreneur, whatever it is, if you build your social capital and you have a strong social capital, you have abundant social capital, everything becomes easy. Myself, I'm a business coach and consultant by trade, and when I was writing my book, I actually built my network, and I have really a good extensive networking, and I had one of my clients that bought some real estate. He was flipping houses. He bought two at one time. Didn't have enough capital, so I went to my network. He asked me, "Hey, Mike, I need help. Can you help me find some capital?" Went to my network, and within 2 hours, I was able to raise $100,000 for him from investors. So social capital, build it. Here is the place, Entrepreneur Power Network. You're able to build your network through kind of what we call gamification, where you every time you engage, every time you post something, you get points, and the ones that get higher and higher in the leaderboard, and I shared in one of the posts in here that the higher you get, you'll get inside the inner circle that I'm creating, where we have masterminds, and also I become your coach, your business coach. As long as you're in the inner circle, I become your business coach, and I will coach you, help you build a business if you don't have one. If you already have a business, we're gonna build your business to super heights. I have 10 years experience in business coaching, and I will help you build your business. If you get up to the inner circle, that means if you really score high, that means you've helped me build this community, and that's a key element. Is that to be in this community, you gotta really engage. And so let me show you around here. Let me get this a little smaller here so we can get this. Oh, I can't lower the size of that, but if I have to, I'll move it around. Anyway, here is the main platform of Entrepreneur Power Network, and let's show you around here. This is the main community. Now, if you want to write a post, and I'm gonna do a test one. Let's call this one test, and then you go ahead and write your comments on here. Your whatever you're going to write. Testing this. Writing platform. Okay, and it's a good idea to just make it fun. Is to go ahead and put a GIF or GIF or whatever you call it. Let's say you want to put, let's say test. Let's go ahead and put test. There we go. And then also when you do this, make sure you put a category. And we have different categories. We got the general discussion area, which pretty much everything goes there. Introductions, and that's after this. After you watch this video, go to introductions and introduce yourself. I put some instructions in there. Go ahead and introduce yourself, please, so everybody get to know. Now, don't be spammy on your introduction. What I mean by spamming, hi, let me give you an example of a proper way of doing it. Is hi, my name is Mike Wilson. I'm a business coach for Entrepreneur Power Network. Boom, that's good. Hi, my name is Michael Wilson. Here's the bad way of introduction. Hi, my name is Michael Wilson. I'm offering coaching for $99 an hour. $99 a month. And I'm trying to sell you something. Don't do that. Just introduce yourself. Don't be spammy. Announcements. If you have some success or something exciting to share, or you want to announce something, go ahead and put it there. Resources and tool. This is key right here. The best way to really help people is provide resources, tools that you run into, any free tools, even paid tools, whatever it is, any tools that you find that it really helps you in your profession. Boom, share it there. Also, it creates reciprocity. You're sharing something that really helps somebody. They're gonna kind of feel in debt to you. So please share it. If you run into any tools or resources, please share it there. Also, the next one is I need help. And this is key element here. If you're running a business and you're running into a problem, I need capital, something like that. Help me, please. I need some help. Go ahead and write it there. Remember, don't be spammy. Also, member spotlight. This I have control of this. When I see people that are really doing really good, and you're like in the top 3, top 5 or something like that, I'm gonna put you in the spotlight. We're also going to be planning to do videos. I'm gonna coordinate videos with you all to go over to go over your business and introduce you, or if you don't have a business, your profession, and I'm going to interview you, and I'm going to put you in the member spotlight. But you have to earn it to get there. Give advice since you're an expert, subject matter expert. Give any advice, anything that comes to the top of mind that you can help businesses or self-development. Give some advice there. People love advice. And then we're going to have networking events in the future, and I'm going to put the recordings here. So once you're finished, you select the category, general discussion. You go ahead and post. Boom. Okay, we posted. All right. It's refreshing, and there it is. So let's go back to community. All right, the classroom. I'm building the classroom right now, but go ahead and go here and start here. Actually, this one right here is going to give you instructions, like go to discussion and introduce yourself. I'm building this right now. I'm actually almost done, about another 2 or 3 days. Fundamentals of networking, how to really network, and how not to network. That's a key element there. Calendar, this is where you're going to actually see, we had the official launch last week. This is where you can see future events, live events that we're going to have. Please pay attention to this, because we're going to have networking events. We're going to have interviews. We're going to have all kinds of stuff to really promote yourself, build your network. And here you can come to members. You'll be able to see all the members that we have right now. And also you can chat with them. Now, remember, don't spam. If I hear that people are spamming, just like clicking down and sending spam to everybody, I will have to ban you from this thing. So don't spam. Introduce yourself. Proper communication. Don't do any spamming. So here you get to see when they joined and everything else, and a lot of information. But do chat with other people. And really get to know everybody. Remember, in networking, it's about building relationships. So right here, you have a group of people that want to meet you. And they, not only that, they want to meet you, but they themselves have communities also. So maybe go check out their community and get involved in their community. So this is a great prime area to really, really build your network, is build relationships with all these people right here. Build a strong relationship. And if you build that relationship, guess what? Not only maybe they might potentially become your client in the future, but they may like your services or your business so well that they actually become your salesperson and actually go out there and evangelize your business. All right, the next thing is leadership board. This is where you can see where you stand on the leadership. This is the gamification. And I did create a reward system in the chat area. If you can go look in the chat area and find where the reward system. When you get up to the levels 6, 7, and 8, there is some extra incentives for you all when you reach that level. So every time you engage with somebody, every time it's not if you like somebody, it's if you get your post liked, you get another point. So engage. Let's say if somebody, actually let's go to the community here, and you got somebody here that posted. Let's go to this community right here. This post. All right, so we got right here a post someone that just posted right here. They responded to my post, so I got a point for this person posting, and when I liked his post, he got a point, and then I posted here, and whenever somebody else likes, I get another point. So engagement gives you points, and as you move up the chain, more rewards. And it's not just the rewards that I set. We might have a competition, and where somebody will get something that helps their business or helps their profession. I will announce those as we build. So let's go also to about. This is the page that usually when you refer somebody, if you want to refer somebody to our community, you want to go out there and this is the link that you want. Or the link that you want to send them to, the about page. Now it doesn't show on here, but it's skool.com EPN /EPN /about. But when you get on here, you can actually look for it and find the link to refer individuals. So let's go back to community. And in here, if you want to look at the different discussion categories, you got your general discussion right here. You got this, whenever you want to do an introduction, you go to introductions and see the other individuals and interact with them, whoever introduces themselves. Announcements, any announcements that are posted, they'll be posted here. Resources and tools, go here, and I've already posted some resources and tools, and go more. So I got, if you need help, go here. Member spotlight, I already got one person for member spotlight. Give advice, virtual events, accountability partner. This is a really good one right here. In this section, I strongly advocate for people that are in business or they're in a profession where they need to be really goal oriented. Get an accountability partner. Here, post here, say, I am looking for an accountability partner. And the accountability partner, hopefully you can get in around your country or near your country or near your time zone, specifically. If you're, we got one from Vietnam that, let's say, becomes accountability partner with our other member from Africa. Time zone, that's going to be really difficult. So try to get somebody in your time zone or close to your time zone. But look for an accountability partner. State that I'm looking for an accountability partner that's near, let's say, Vietnam, and so when you find this partner that wants to become an accountability partner, you meet occasionally once in a while and say, hey, these are my goals, and they give their goals, and you kind of push each other to be successful. So I really encourage everybody to get an accountability partner, and this is where you post to get that. And then celebrations. You got a success, woohoo! Put your celebrations right here. And then let's see what else. Here on the top, this is where when you got chats that are happening. These are whenever you chat. Let's say you go over here. Let me show you what that looks like. When you go to a member and you click the chat and you want to talk to them, it's going to come here, and so you can look at all your chats. And this right here is all the notifications, all the likes and everything else. So whenever somebody comments, like right here, you have a comment, I could go there and post a comment to react to the comment. Because remember, every time you react, engage, you get points. And then here, you can, your profile and your settings, you can really control that there. And that's pretty much it. Now, I encourage you, we're going to have networking events in the near future. Right now, it's free to join our group, but if when we get to 100, we're going to go to, I was thinking maybe $9, $10 or something like that. It's not going to be expensive, but we're going to start charging because we want to really weed out the spammers and the noobs. We call noobs is somebody that just pokes around and doesn't really do anything. We really want to get really highly engaged people. To be successful in this community, there has to be engagement. And also, just to let y'all know, if you're not really being engaged, you're not engaging, I will have to kick you off because I need to save that spot. When we get to 100, we're going to have 100 highly engaged individuals. And anybody that pays after, when somebody decides they want to pay in the future over the 101 membership position, they are getting a really highly engaged group. So I'm looking forward to engaging with y'all, meeting y'all. I will eventually get to every one of y'all and meet you somehow, some way. If you have any questions, remember I'm a business coach and consultant. If you have any issues, contact me. Bye.